Hello, what's up guys? This is Ruben Gorjian and welcome to a new video from Ruben Gorjian Photography. So what's going on today? We're gonna take you behind the scene again from part 2 of my fashion shooting that I've done last week. I had 2 days photo shooting. Day 1 was with the beautiful Lillian, day 2 was the beautiful ANgiem. So today we're gonna go into a little bit more details about the posing, the lighting of the shooting, and you can listen more behind the scenes of me talking to ANgiem and how I was trying to fix her pose and so on. The equipment that I use for this photo shooting is my Sony A9 together with the 85mm 1.4 GM, which is a great camera and great combo. I switched from Nikon to Sony about a year ago and it was the best decision I made professionally. Then I use 3 AD600 and 2 with strip box, 1 with the beauty dish, and everything was streaked with the Godox streaker. So for the video, let's dive into that and enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to become a member of my off-camera flash Facebook group. So guys, enjoy it and see you next time. So guys, what I did for the dresses and outfit is that I approached a local dress store here in New York, and I was lucky enough because they know my wife personally, so it was a little bit easier. But I explained them my project, I explained that the fact that I want to create a fashion shooting, and in exchange of the dresses I would give them the final edited images of my work. So they agreed with me, and they lent me 3-4 dresses for the shooting. Then what I did, I hired a makeup artist and a hairstylist, and so I worked with Joanna and Alison to create some really fashion look for the model. So this is it guys. Just try different options, different venue to create your photo shooting, okay? Stay like this, and can you give me more shape on your hips and bring your left arm forward a little bit? Yeah, that's it, so I can see it. Stay like this. So guys, in these few shots you heard me giving small instructions to ANgiem, something like move your hands and enhance your hips. So I was trying to finesse my posing, and even though ANgiem was amazing at posing, she was not flowing, but she was missing the final touch. So I'm sure that most of the models are amazing, but you have to give those final touches until the pose is really perfect and gives you that look that you're looking for. bring your hand back a little bit. Over here is fine. Yes. And close your elbow. Hold on. Now look straight, same pose. Nope. I'm losing you. Yeah, that's better. Now bring your arms and the other one on your, yes. Bring your arms to your waist, but no, straight at me. Yes. Eyes at me. Turn, yes. Stay like this, okay. Just move your hands now. Hold it. Oops, one more. Flash it and fine. Bring your hands again on your face. Hold it. Chin down a little bit. That's it. Stop.